guys? I'm Luke.
And I'm Zoe.
And you are watching The Creative Way. So today, we are going to be doing the Twin Telepathy Challenge. Except, we are going to do it with drinks instead of the usual slime. And then later, we will be doing it with food. Yep. So, let's start off with our first round. It's going to be water. So, are we going to do water or seltzer water? We have to decide. Okay.
So 3, and whatever the water thing is, we're going to make our base.
Yes.
Okay, I decided.
I've decided.
Okay, next is the juice round?
Yes. No. Next is the flavoring round.
Oh. Flavoring round.
All right, so we have Gatorade
Lemon water.
and we have lemon water. So I've decided what mine's going to be.
So have I. Okay. Next is our juice round.
Yes. So we have red juice and purple juice.
Purple juice. I decided what mine's going to be.
Me too.
Yay.
Uh-oh, mine's not working here.
Well, let's see how it tastes. Ooh la la.
All right.
Oh, that tastes so weird.
All right.
You want to take the divider down?
Mine tastes good. All right, let's take it down.
Yay!
Hey, our drinks are the same color. That's a start. What did you use for your base?
Seltzer water.
Okay. Then I used Gatorade.
Gatorade.
And I used Red Hug.
Red Hug. Awesome! So we almost got it. Maybe we'll get it later. Who knows?
These are really good.
Yeah.
But for now, let's dive right in to the next segment. We're going to be making trail mix in these plastic bags for a hike we are going on.
Yeah.
All right, so round 1 is going to be popcorn. So we each have these popcorn. We have Cracker Jacks and regular kettle corn.
Actually,
all right?
It's salty sweet.
All right. But anyway, so we're going to each pick one.
All right.
All right, I think I've decided on I decided. I definitely didn't just dump them on the floor. That never happened. Uh-oh, our divider is being... All right.
Here's mine.
So, we've each made our choices, so we'll put these off to the side.
Yeet.
So the next round we will be doing is the salty round. We have a pretzel mix, and we have...
Sunflowers.
Sunflower seeds,
I mean,
not
not
actual
sunflowers.
sunflowers.
That
Okay,
would be
so...
Okay, choose. Are we allowed to eat them?
Not yet, Zoe.
Sorry.
All right, so Zoe, once you're finished, put those off to the side.
Yeet.
All right, so are we done, Zoe?
Yeah.
Okay, so how about we show them our...
Yeet.
The final round will be the sweet round.
Marshmallows. Oh, sorry, you can't see them.
Yeah, marshmallows or nil
Nilla
wafers.
wafers. All right, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I chose mine.
All right, once you have your sweet poured in, we'll see. So we'll put the others off to the side. All right, now we will take off the divider. Stop eating, Zoe. I can hear you. We're going to take down the divider. Oh my gosh! We got the exact same stuff! That is so cool! All right, so...
We promised we didn't cheat.
No, we didn't. All right, so I want you to go to my website. I will leave a link to the resources on my resources page where you can see everything that we used in this video, as always. And I did not have a shout-out request, but that will be on my homepage. If you want a shout-out request, just go to my website, and you can click I want a shout-out or whatever, fill out the form, and I'll give you a shout-out. So I'm going to say shout-out to Zoe for helping me with this video.
All right.
I want you guys to know that we have a new product for Mother's Day on the Leaky
yeah.
Enterprises LLC official store.
It is so cool.
It's homemade necklaces with your mom's initials and a charm of your choice. It's really cool. I want you to go check that out. And next week, I am going to be doing a live stream. That's so good. Sorry. Of me making a wand. On Saturday, I can't post Sunday because I'm going to be in the car on a road trip just to get a change of scenery from this whole
Take a
quarantine.
hike.
And I look forward to seeing you at my live stream on Saturday at 12 o'clock. I think that's it for this video.
Okay.
See you guys next time.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.